Up here. We're back, but today we're in the basement showing off some new things. For instance, I made a workbench. I've got my vice clamp, aka press. I like to use it as a press. Pegboard, little LED light, stuff like drawers, floor jack, paint, drawers, tools, Scotch tape. Not Scotch, the brand tape, but like the offside brand tape. And the other thing I have is this hammer. What do you think we'll be doing with these three things today? Well, here's what we're doing. We are going to be doing a kind of like a hydraulic press versus something thing, but just vice grip press versus something. So, I'm not going to use protection because when I can't find my mask too, I don't want to use VR goggles for this. Just like phone VR goggles. So yeah, we're just going to get started. Hammer is to, like, once we're done, like, pressing it, it's going to hold it in place. So, that ought to be plenty of room. Let's crank it up a couple. Okay. Yeah, I can put it around right now. Yeah, just carefully, like, here, I'm going to put you guys down for a second. Right, here we are. Now I'm just going to start cranking this. Whoop. Okay. And we're going to put it in like this now. So I'm going to put it in like this. That ought to give it a little more force. Okay, I accidentally over tightened it, but it's, as you can see, already starting to bend and break. Oh. Oh. You see, guys, this is why you need eye protection. I don't have eye protection, so I'm using this phone as eye protection. Alright, so now the tape is starting to squish. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh. God. You know, I feel like this metal blade up here is going to cut me. That's what I feel, is that that's going to cut me. So, okay, now I got pieces of plastic flying around everywhere. You know, and now, look at that. That is all bent up. Look at this. Well, this plastic is very durable. I'm going to put it on my hood now because it's going to possibly go flying. Sorry if there's crumbs on me. I was just eating cookies. Let's keep going. You know, now it's starting to get really hard to clamp. So, oh, ah! That just killed me. Oh, shit. Now there's even tiny pieces come flying at me. Okay, that looks very sharp right there. That looks very sharp. Oh, ow, wow, shit, that is sharp. Now this tape is completely, like, turned sideways. We're gonna keep going now. Okay, this is why I have the hammer, so then I can really press it together. Oh, gosh. Okay. Alright, now let's get this hammer out and rolling and going. But first we gotta turn this vice grip kind of sideways now, so we don't kill the plugs there. I don't want to kill my plugs out. So we're gonna oh. Wow, now that is really pressed. That is like really, really pressed. Try and get it by hand. Oh god. Oh god. Alright, I'm gonna stand over here because that is sharp and that's gonna kill me. Oh god. Okay, so that's pretty pressed up. So we're gonna now start to unscrew the vise. Oh, do you see all that just coming down? Wow. Okay, so this is like the aftermath of it. Yeah, wow, look at that. That's just deadly. You know, most people can barely even crush this a tiny bit. This little piece of the rolls of tape. This vise, not without the hammer, I already crushed it that much. So we're gonna work on this tape right now, real quick. We'll just get it tugged at a decent strength into there, so it's just sitting there. Now we're gonna crush it as much as we can. No, it's so tight that I need a hammer. Hey, Kyle, you come down here? So my brother's here. Ooh.
What are you doing? Seriously.
Vice grip press versus Scotch tape.
Why are you wasting tape?
So it was old, and it was covered in dirt and stuff. All right, move, because this is my video, not yours. Wow, Kyle, I would tell you now, just keep your eyes covered, because this thing's going to kill you. I swear to you.
I will try borrow some tools to put this back together.
Yeah, here, can you just carefully tighten this up a tiny bit until I tell you? You know what, here, just...
Good job!
Nah, I was going to have you hold it right here while I tightened it up a tiny bit. Alright, you know what, just tighten it up a tiny bit. Alright, that's good, that's good. I'm going to keep on.
Alright, I'm going to take some tools to
Alright. Yeah. Here, so there's no wrenches in there.
Can I have socket wrenches?
No, not sockets.
Oh, okay.
Sockets take too much. Alright.
Wait, I think I actually need screwdrivers.
You need both.
I need a screwdriver and...
Yeah. We're gonna go for the
No, I'm not gonna
cutter bit of this. Alright.
I just know if the thing starts, I'll have to...
Alright, Kyle, can you hold this right here?
No.
Or you're not here, just tighten it up a tiny bit then? Not really. Okay, that's good, that's good. That's good, Kyle! No! Alright. Now I'd cover your eyes. Ooh. Whoa. Okay, so now there's pieces of plastic shattered literally everywhere. Hey Kyle, I found the cutter. I found the little metal cutter.
What metal cutter?
The piece on the tip. Wow, so this is a miniature saw, really. Oh my god, I got a miniature saw. That's to put it on a chainsaw. I'm Jason Voorhees. Oh yeah, by the way, it's Friday the 13th. Yeah, that pretty much wraps it up covers it up on this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, please do. Well, hold on. I'm trying to pick up as much of these pieces of plastic as possible. Yeah, if you have not subscribed yet, please do. Share the love. Share this video. Like it. I would like to reach a goal of maybe 5 likes on this video. If we can get that goal, I will post something this weekend, if I can get that goal. So, 5 likes on the video, and I'll post another... Actually, let's make this interesting. I'll post another drill press video this weekend. Well, it's technically the weekend, Friday afternoon, the weekend. I'll post a video this Sunday, another one of these press videos. And yeah, if we reach a goal of 5 likes, I'll post another pressing video, another vice grip press versus something video. And please just subscribe for more content. You don't have to keep the notifications bell on, but just take a look at the channel every once in a while, okay? That's all I'm asking from you guys. Thank you all for watching this video. Sorry about this. Thank you all for watching this video. I will be sure to give you guys more content, maybe good content, repair videos, maintenance videos, whatever, vlogs. In fact, I'm actually, Saturday, I'm going to be doing a maintenance/repair video on my mini bike. Not this little thing, the pocket bike. That's my brother's actually. But on that and my brand new Predator 212cc engine on my go-kart. I'm going to be rebuilding the carbs on them. Maybe a little more, maybe some engine cleaning, maintenance. Maybe one day I gotta actually get this Briggs & Stratton Fun Power engine, 5 horses, back up and running, but that thing died on me a while ago, so needs parts. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. See you soon. Goodbye.